Hello, human nature. I see you failed the test. A chainsaw for a living tree, then petrol and asbestos. Nature likes to tell you that what she does shows strength, while all of your creations look weak and out of place. Chihuahua have small eye holes. Cars make people weak. Electric lights disturb us. There is no other cheap. There's people out here fighting to say this isn't right. We should plant trees, go hiking, instead of living lies. So you, who counts as human, one day you will find that nature is still queen and man turned simply blind. Science is a fungus that grows inside your mind. Your madness worships sugar, demolishes foresight. The land that we as shepherds were given to take care is being ate by greediness and turned into despair. So hello, human nature, GFYS. That's right, I spelled it just like this, or else it'd have been denied. It means clearly post here. G means clearly go. So Y is your and S is self. What F is, you should know. In times of need I wonder who I could turn to. If all I see is corrupted, then what am I to do? All I know is action, so I express myself. What you read here is hours, reflecting and then rest. Left and right opinions flashing through my mind. My intellect is raving. Sometimes I'm so blind. I'm looking for solutions. Nature I love most. It pains me to see children turning into hosts. Some things are too scary to say them just like that, but still I know they happen. We need to make amends. So hello, human nature. What have you become? Real strength just makes you jealous? All you want is fun. All you do is gossip. Your mirror is your church. You pray to your reflection. What's real to you disturbs. So humans now hate nature, 'cause strength has had them scared. A gunshot for true warriors, and beer for those who glared. Prison cells for vagabonds, barrels for the rest. Expansion till there's nothing left. Just tell me when it ends. So what is human nature? And what will we have left? I worked with greed and found some truth. Guess what? Reducing would be best. It clearly is that easy. Less coffee and less cake. Less meat from tortured beings. That's all I'll have to say.